Huh? Ryan, you got a 55% on the test. And that's the highest anyone has gotten in the class.
Am I better than everyone?
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros.
First name?
Rabbit.
Last name?
The bank.
So you are robbing the bank.